Hello, this is a video about the closed captioning and transcript feature on Microsoft Teams. So let's say I have a meeting going on here, and let's just join this meeting. And closed captioning is actually quite simple. If we just go into the three dots here, we can turn on live captions. And once this is turned on, everything a person says appears at the bottom here. As you can see, as I'm talking here, the captioning just appears. Okay, so let's leave that. So that's the captioning which can be used in class for somebody that wants to read the meeting as it's going on. Okay, so once you have the meeting recorded, as you know, it gets automatically uploaded to Microsoft Stream. Okay, and if you want to get a transcript of that meeting, you have to actually go into Stream, and as you may know, to go into your video in Stream, you click on the three dots here and you'll get the option to open your video in Microsoft Stream. So I've already done that, and let me just go over to my video section. And once you go into your video in Stream, you'll get something that looks like this, where you have your video, a few things here, and where you want to go is these three dots. Okay, so when you click on these three dots, you have the option to update video details. Okay, and when you go in there, if you want your transcript, the first thing you need to do, very important, is you need to select the language. This way, it can generate the transcript in the language that you choose. Okay, so since I was speaking in English, you choose English, and you'll see that it has checked auto generate captions. Once you have that, you can click apply. Okay, it'll bring you up back to your video, and as you can see, let me just pause that. Now, instead of just having this interactivity section, now they have this transcript section, and it says here the transcripts aren't quite ready yet and to check back soon. So this might take a while depending on how long your video is. Okay, but after some time, I have another one here. After some time, when it does actually load, you may have to refresh your browser or whatever. You can see that the transcript does appear there, okay, with a timestamp of when everything was said. Okay, if you want to actually download the file, okay, so once that is ready, you have to wait for it to get ready. To download file, again, go back into these three dots again, go into the update video details, and now you will see the link download file. Okay, and there now you can download the actual transcript. This transcript file is a .vtt, and I believe you can open it with just simply Notepad. And that's what the transcript looks like. So not the most elegant thing, but yeah, it has a bunch of like details of all the data of the computer and then what everything says. I believe there's some tools that you can use to clean it up just so you can get the text, but that'll be in another video. Apart from downloading the transcript, what might be even more useful is if the student accesses the video with transcript inside Stream, because as you can see, the transcript does appear here and is a lot cleaner than seeing it in Notepad. And a very neat functionality is the student can actually search for certain concepts in the meeting. So for example, let me just type a word that I know is in this meeting. And you can see it points to the different parts of the video that contain that. So at the 56-second mark, I actually talk about London. So if the student actually clicks here, it'll actually jump to the 56-second point where it talks about that, so they can find concepts very easily inside a video.